Hello, Seven Sister. It is a delight to share this very short, informative video on Yoni steaming today, brought to you live from my throne, which happens to be my toilet today. And the reason for this is I want to show you how easy it is to create a Yoni steam practice with little to no equipment. So if you are an avid Yoni steamer and have got a different setup, please feel free to use that setup when we have our group steam. But if you are new to this and want to explore how easy it is to steam safely in the comfort of your own home, then this video is for you. First and foremost, let me just tip this down here. What I'd like you to do is to disinfect your toilet. This is really important because when we're steaming, anything that is in that environment becomes part of that steam, and that's part of the medicine that we want to take up into our bodies. So really important to disinfect your toilet. Secondly, acquire a bowl that's going to be used for Yoni steaming only. So I recommend either a steel bowl or a ceramic one. Stay away from plastics because we don't want the plastic and the hot water to start releasing some of those nasty chemicals that will make up part of that environment. Okay, what we are also going to need, let me come back up here, is most simplest form is to have a kettle filled with about 1.5 litres of water. You don't need to boil it before the class. We will be boiling and creating our herbal environment at the same time. Now, speaking of herbs, if you don't have herbs that you use for Yoni steaming, don't worry. You can use apple cider vinegar. So I get an organic apple cider vinegar, and we're going to need 2 tablespoons of that in the 1.5 litres of water. At Rose Temple, I've got 6 blends that I use specifically for different conditions. This is my mildest blend. It's called Relax Me, and we normally use about 1/3 cup throughout the Rose Temple Yoni steaming blends that I provide. So if you are interested in acquiring herbs, here's the go. I can send you just one sample posted to your home for $8. All these bags are going to be reduced for Seven Sisters, and I'm happy to give that to you at a reduced price of $40 as opposed to $50 if you want to buy your own before the practice. But if not, as I said, it's as simple as apple cider vinegar. Now, with everything else, if you're worried like, oh, this is a 1.5 hour workshop, I don't want to take up the toilet for 1.5 hours, we won't need to do that. We will be using the bathroom or a Yoni steam session for no more than 20 minutes. So just keep that in mind for yourself, that time is not the limiting factor here. So any questions, please reach out. In the description of this video, I'll have everything listed out, including my email address. So please get in contact with me with any questions that you have beforehand. And I look forward to creating this beautiful, nourishing, warm steam bath for our womb and our womanly bodies. See you there.